Hey guys, it's Amber, and I just got a new scrapbook.com order, and it got soaked while it was away for the weekend, but I'm praying that it's still okay. They usually pack stuff up pretty well, so I'm hoping that everything will be good. So I've been working on getting ready for some projects. Been editing photos. I've got 2 vacations so far edited. Yay me. So it's definitely still a little bit wet. Yeah. I had paper towels in the scrapbook room, but I guess I'm out. So placed a big order. I'm pretty excited about it. Lots of travel stuff that I was looking at because I haven't bought anything in forever. These were free, which is really cool. These scissors. So let's get this opened. Let's see how we are doing. Make sure it's not wet. Okay. Yeah, the box was just left outside. Our porch isn't really covered. Well, we have no porch, but our front stoop, I should say. And it just got like destroyed. So it's gonna be a little bit scrambled, of course. Okay, let's start with this stuff. The big papers. I like them around my desk, and then we'll move to the little stuff. So I got 2 of these. I'm backwards. Let's start this way. I guess it's like this. Okay. So I bought 2 of these vellum sheets with the monstera leaves from Vicky Booten. It's got gold foil. It's really cute in person. So really glad I have that. We have a cruise book for next year, but I do have a trip to the Caribbean that I haven't done anything with yet. So that's why I have 2 of those. Sorry, I gotta get organized here. Okay. Now this is Just Beachy by Simple Stories. Got it for this side, this matte paper, which I thought was really cute. Kind of fun, bright colors. And then the back is palm trees. And we've got Bon Voyage by Cartabella. So obviously I just got this for the cruise ships. And there's anchors on the back. And then this one is Echo Park's Let's Take the Trip paper. I loved all the postcards. I thought that was really cute. And then the back is like a big 12 by 12. But what I liked about this one is I never know what to do with my postcards, so I started just sticking them in 4 by 6 pockets. But this is like a great way to like add some pattern paper with that. And here we've got Scrapbook Customs. It's just a matte paper. North America. And we've got Photo Play. It's always fun seeing the new lines. This is called Anchors Away line. Got that one for the anchors. Kind of a mature design. I don't like too cutesy of travel lines. I like mature stuff, which is why I love Allie's travel lines. This one I really love too. This Photo Play port side with all the passport stamps, but they're like Ocean Cruise and Sail Away and Ocean Adventure. So it looks like passport stamps, but it's all sea life creatures. I got 2 of those, so I'm really excited about that one. I love the color on it. I got 3 of that one because I know myself. I know this is one of those papers that I would cut up and use like all throughout the album to like help tie everything together. Here's another one from the Just Beachy line. I just really loved some of these with the cruise. Oh, excuse me. And Travel With Me. Just really bright, fun colors on this line. And then little Palm Island scenes on the back. And then more photo play. Sorry, it's like all scrambled. Just portholes and swimwear. It's called the sun deck, and then that's actually really cute on the back with the yellow. And I got a couple of these papers here from Reminisce. They had different global getaways. So this is just different locations, kind of like almost like travel posters in a way. And the back was really pretty print, but just kind of love this for like different places that you might be able to go. You can crop those out and use it as a card. And this was the United Kingdom from Simple Stories. This is their Say Cheese Epic. And I've already scrapbooked just some of these trips, but does not mean I can't do more with it. Here we've got summer snapshots from the Simple Stories line with little meatballs. And we're back to Say Cheese with Canada. Sorry, I should have really organized this more. Then here we have 2 sheets of this Bon Voyage cut apart, which is Photo Plays Anchors Away Again. So this one I just really thought was cute because it has the itinerary map, enjoy a cocktail, someone walking on a cruise deck, robes and slippers on cruise time, pack your bags, the porthole, eat, sleep, cruise, repeat, Bon Voyage, enjoy the show. Just really cute. And on the back is Cruising Together and Let's Cruise. So 2 of those. I always like, obviously you can take your own beach photos and I use those, but it's always nice to have like something like this, especially for like a 6x8 or like a 10x8 album. Just have like a nice pattern paper that's beachy. So this is Reminisce from their, it says Ocean. On the back is bamboo. Then we have another Say Cheese paper from France. Like a little ratatouille, that's so cute. A little poodle and the croissant. Here's another Reminisce with the palm trees or the seashells. I think I bought it for this side, but both sides are super cute. We have another Say Cheese paper with Germany, with the little Guten Tag and the pretzel. So cute. And one last one for China. So they had other countries, but I picked the ones that I have been to or have projects for. And Italy. How could you not? So cute. I love the little pasta. So cute. I'm dying. Here's 2 more of these papers I was telling you about. Let me just pull this one out. This is Pack Your Bags from Simple Stories. So we've got like a city, road trip, ready to travel, verticals with the suitcase that are always hard to find, and then a bright stripe. We've got more of these travel posters, Denali, Great Smoky Mountains, Yellowstone. So this is like all national parks, like camping patches on the back. And this one's more like cities, Vegas, New York, San Francisco, Boston, Chicago, Miami, Orlando, Seattle, LA, DC, Texas, Hawaii. So I've literally been everywhere except Seattle, which I flew in and out of once, I think, but how fun. On the back of this one is like Sketch USA, which is really cool. It's actually a fun pattern. And then this one's more countries and cities. London, Paris, Italy, Iceland, Prague, Amsterdam. So I just had to get them. So I basically typed travel into the search box and just went nuts. So I got a new archival ink beach cruiser. I really liked that color. I have a couple of their inks, not a ton, but always good. And then I got a new Brutus Monroe, says Cosmo Blaze Snorkel Splash, but honestly that was brighter than I wanted it to be. I was looking for something more like this tones of blues, and that's Grease Blues. Might be too bright for my Caribbean trip. Like I was hoping it was more like that color. So it must have looked different online than I thought. Okay, so let's get into the fun little stuff here. Let's put that aside. Just trying to be careful with everything because like it's all wet still. So as you can see, this was a big purchase because I haven't been keeping up with like normal scrapbook ordering like I used to all the time. So I had a lot to look through and catch up on. All right, so these are sanding discs and you use it with the mini ink blending tool. I thought that was kind of neat to have. And there's 10 of them in there. So that's from Tim Holtz Distress. And then I got these die cuts that match all of those. Excuse me. That match all of those papers for around the world. Just had more titles and locations and cute little bits that matched it. And then this I thought was a really cool stamp that could go, I guess, any direction really. Kind of even really more vertical. But it says postage around the world, and it just had a bunch of different passport stamps. And I thought that would be really cool along the edge of like a 4x6 card or something, like at the bottom for journaling. Any which way you use it. And that is from Picket Fence. So I thought that was cute. It wasn't very expensive. And then here I got a metal die for Las Vegas, the sign. I literally have like, I have to look at where my list got to. I was organizing all my, here we go. This is all the stuff I need to scrapbook. And I have 5 Vegas trips to scrapbook. So I was like, okay. Lots of concerts, Project Life, Atlantic City trips, Florida trips. So I thought having this little Viva Las Vegas sign would be really cute to have as a die. And then I also got, these are foil transfers. So there are 6 sheets here. It says that they're in 2 shades of gold. And it has like signs, Vegas Baby, motels, different logos, patterns for like playing cards, poker chips, and just I thought that would be really neat again to add to all of my Vegas albums. And I also got this too, which is Spellbinders cutting dies. But I thought what was really cool about this is that like my family likes to play cards too, but like you could just make your own playing cards, or it could be like an anniversary or someone's initials or something. I just thought it was really cool, and they're not super huge, and it wasn't very expensive, but I just thought that was really neat to have like that die. So here I've got, they call this chipboard, but like to me this is wood. P13. So just a bunch of cameras, a ton of suitcases. These will be so fun to add to like the corner of like a little card. And I think there's, yeah, there's some at the top here underneath too. Travel theme, Wanderlust Ready for Adventure, and Globe geotag backpacks. There's like 3 huge geotags at the top and another backpack up there. And then this was actually free. Simon Hurley, cutting dies with reindeers and that little wreath. So always check the coupon section because they always have really cool stuff. And then these were rub-on transfers from 49th and Market that again, you can always just like, sorry, it's a little wet, put on the edge of things. But they're meant to, I actually want to kind of open this and look at these. These are 3 sheets of 6x12. These just look really cool. So just pieces of tickets and maps. The wording there. Part of the city. More maps. Scales of the map. I just thought these were really cool. And this was part of their Wherever collection. And it's their Kitty Prettiette, who used to run that one design site, so of course they're amazing. That makes total sense. Digital Designs or whatever her site used to be, I cannot think of it. These are also wooden pieces. They're called decorative chips. It's travel themed, travel arrow hearts, plane, part of a globe, some flags. Thought that was kind of neat. And then some cruise spots will be going to Dominican Republic and St. Thomas. These were just scrapbook customs die cuts. I thought those would be good for organizing content with cruise. A plain stencil, because you can use that for any trip. I wanted some teeny tiny, very thin pop-up squares. These are scrapbook.com, double-sided foam. These are nice and thin, like these are awesome. I'm gonna have to get some more of these. And then I got a Stampers Anonymous layering stencil from Tim Holtz's collection with all these words. I think that'll be really fun to add texture to anything really, but like background. It's really cool. And then these are Coastal Memories from Minte Papers. And I just thought these were pretty colors. Like obviously they're sandy and beachy, but also just good stickers for what they had. Like girls just want to have sun and ice cream, going tropical, sun is my medicine. Thought there's also some cute ones on there. So that is everything. Like I said, I really stocked up because I haven't purchased anything in so long, and there's so much cute stuff out there. And there was even things that I was like looking to get that were out of stock. So I will probably be placing an order again soon, and Allie's travel collection comes out tomorrow, so I'm really excited about that. I'll probably be buying 2 of everything and the digitals, because while I love having the digital copy as backup, there's nothing like having the physical copy. So happy ordering for Allie's travel kit, and thanks for watching my video. These are actually really nice. They lock. Cool. And they have this protector. Very neat stuff. Definitely check out the freebie section whenever you are on scrapbook.com's page. Bye for now.